Chapter 4 Mail Merge Learning Outcomes. At the end of this chapter, students will be able to know the features of mail merge, merge the components of the mail merge, view and print the merged data. Warm up. Shubham has recently adopted a puppy. He wants to throw a party for its homecoming. To invite his friends, he has written a letter in MS Word 2016. Now, he wants to send the same letter to his 15 friends. Discuss the ways he can do the same without taking much time. Teachers note, with the help of the above activities, introduce the student to the mail merge feature of Word 2016. Hello friends, let's learn about the mail merge features 2016. It saves our time and efforts to send letters at multiple addresses. Your school sends the same circular to all students from classes 1 to 12 on the daily basis. Do you think they type the emails to the students one by one? No. They use MS Word's famous feature Mail Merge. Mail Merge feature of MS Word 2016 is used to combine data source, which contains all the addresses with the main documents. This definitely saves a lot of time. Let's learn about this feature in detail. Mail Merge. Mail Merge is a very efficient tool of MS Word. It is possible to write and send a letter or email to multiple recipients at once using the Mail Merge feature in Microsoft Word. From this tool, we can create form letters, mailing labels, and envelopes by combining main documents with a data source. Let me answer. Have you ever received a circular from your school on your email ID? Let us know about two every important components of mail merge. Main document. It contains the text which we want to send to all the recipients. Data source. It consists of personalized information such as name, address, city and phone. Numbers. This information is organized in tabular form with the field names. Creating the main document. Follow the following steps to create the main document. 1. Create a new document and type a letter that you want to send to multiple addresses. 2. Click on the mailing tabs. 3. Click on Start Mail Merge drop-down arrow and select the step-by-step Mail Merge wizard option. 4. The Mail Merge pane appears on the right side of the window. Follow the following steps to create the document. 1. Under the Select Document Type section, select the Letters radio button. 2. Click the Next Starting Document under the Step 1 of 6 section at the bottom of the task pane. 3. Under the Select Starting Document section, click on the Use the Current Document option. 4. Under the Step 2 of 6 section, click the Next Select Recipients. There are 3 ways to create the recipients list. 1. Use existing list. Select a list. If you already have one, then click OK. 2. Select from Outlook contacts. Select a list from the address book of Outlook. 3. Type new list. If you don't have a list, choose this option to build a list to be combined with your Word document. Creating the data source. If there is no list, then we need to create a new list. Follow the steps to create a new list. 1. Click on the Create button. 2. The new address list appear. Follow the following steps to enter records. 1. To add values to the list, click on the New Entry button. 2. Fill in the information in the new address list. 3. If you want to enter more records, click on the New Entry button. 4. Click on the OK button. 5. Give the appropriate name and click on the Save button. Merging the components of Mail Merge. After creating the data source, merge both the components, main document and data source together. Let me answer. What do you mean by merging? Follow the following steps to merge these two. 1. Select the records you want to merge and click OK. 2. On the Mailing tab, click on the Insert Merge Field button to insert the fields from the database. 3. Select the field you intend to add and the field name will appear in the document. Do you know? To insert a merge field, we can press Alt plus Shift plus F key combinations. Viewing the merged data. Follow the following steps to preview the merged data. 1. On the mailing tabs, click on the preview results button. Alternatively, click the next. Preview your letters under the step 4 of 6 section. 2. The data stored in the fields will appear. 3. Once you have previewed the records, click on the Finish Merge button. Printing the merged document. If you wish to directly print the letters, then from the File tab, select the Print option. If you intended to save the individual letters permanently and edit them later, click on the Edit Individual Letters option. Remember it. To print the merged document, Alt plus Shift plus M key combinations can be used. Get IQ! Roshni wants to insert a merge field, but she has forgotten the steps which her teacher told to follow. Help her with the simple way for it. Let's recall. Mail Merge is a very efficient tool of MS Word, which allows you to write and send a letter or email to multiple recipients. Mail Merge consists of the main document and the data source. Main document contains the text which we want to send to all the recipients. Data source consists of personalized information such as name, address, city and phone. Mail Merge saves time in typing efforts. Procedure you need to follow while using the feature of mail merging. Creating the main document. Creation the data source. Merging the components of mail merge. Viewing the merged data. Painting the merged document. Upskill your intelligence. A. Fill in the blanks. 1. Dash feature of Word 2016 is used to combine a data source with the main document. Answer: Mail Merge. 2. Two important components of mail merge are dash and dash. Answer: Main document and data source. 3. Dash consists of personalized information. Answer: Data source. 4. Dash tab needs to be clicked in order to create the main document. Answer: Mailing tabs. 5. The mail merge pane appears on the dash of the window. Answer: right side. B. Answer in one word. 1. The tab which you select to execute the mail merge option. Answer: Mailing tab. 2. Components of mail merge which contains the text we want to send to a recipient. Answer: the main document, the data source and the merged document. 3. The option we choose to select a list from the address book of Outlook. Answer: OK. 4. The button which is clicked to insert the field from the database. Answer: Insert Merge. 5. The options to see the records before merging. Answer: Preview Result button. C. Write T for true statements and F for false statements. 1. The two main components of a mail merge process is the main document and data source. Answer: True. 2. Edit individual letters option allow you to save the individual letter permanently and edit them later. Answer: False. 3. To add values to the list, we click on the New Entry button. Answer: True. 4. Information in data source is organized in tabular form with the field names. Answer: True. 5. You can select the list from the address book of Outlook. Answer: False. D. Identify and label the following buttons. E. Answer the following questions. 1. What do you mean by mail merge? Answer: You can use mail merge to customize a batch of documents for each recipient. One way to personalize a form letter is to address each recipient by name. A data source is connected to the document such as a list, spreadsheet or database. 2. How can we create a main document? Answer. Click Start Mail Merge and step by step Mail Merge tab on the Mailing tab. Click Next after selecting the type of document to which you wish to add mail merging. Here you can create a new document using an existing one or a template. 3. What is a data source? Answer. Simply said, a data source is where the data come from. A live data feed, a specific database on a DBMS, or simply a file can be used. The data may be on the same machine as the software or on a different machine connected to a network. 4. How can we merge the main document and data source together? Answer. A document, spreadsheet or database serving as the data source hold personally identifiable data such as names, addresses and phone numbers. A form, letters, labels and emails or a directory could all be considered the main document. 5. Write the different ways to select a recipient list. Answer. Navigate to File, New, Blank Document. Select Recipients, type a new list from the menu. Enter the necessary recipient information in each column of the new address list dialog box. See Edit Data Source for more details on how to use the dialog box. Critical thinking. A. Here are the steps to preview the merged data. Number them in order. Answer. Student will do it themselves. B. It's Samara's birthday. She has made a beautiful invite using MS Word. She wants to send a personal invitation to her friends without typing their names and address again and again. Suggest to her the way she can do this task. Answer. Students will do it themselves. Team work. A. You are the head of the class. Create a data source of your classroom which includes their personal information such as name, date of birth, address, phone numbers and parents' name for the school's identity. 1. How many students are there in your class? 2. How many prints of students' information are more? 3. How did you paste the logo of your school in the identity card? Answer. Students will do it themselves.